Hey everyone, Gerard here, back to you with another video on taxation. In this video, I'm going to talk about 2021's update on excise tax for tobacco and vapor products. After the release of Republic Act 11346 and 11467, which affects the excise tax on alcohol, tobacco, and vapor products, BIR released Revenue Regulations 7-2021, which is the implementing rules and regulations of both laws. Republic Act number 11346, which increases the excise tax on tobacco products, imposing excise tax on heated tobacco products and vapor products, and increasing the penalties for violation of provisions on articles subject to excise tax and amending related sections of the tax code. Whereas Republic Act 11467 amends certain provisions and adds new sections of the tax code related to those excisable articles. These are articles mentioned a while ago. For the revised rates and basis of excise tax affected by these laws, I won't be going through them in detail, but I do encourage you to look it up in Revenue Regulations 7-2021. As you can see, there are gradual progression of tax rates from 2020 to 2024 onwards. Here are the updated tax rates for heated tobacco products. For vapor products, we have nicotine salt and conventional freebase or classic nicotine. Lastly, it includes update on cigars and cigarettes, which is computed as ad valorem tax plus specific tax. To illustrate the increased rates of excise taxes, let's have some sample problems. On January 23, 2020, BSM Corporation removed from its tobacco plant 100 cases of brand GTR heated tobacco. One case contains 50 rims, while one rim contains 10 packs. Before looking at the solution, let's look at the applicable rate for heated tobacco. As you can see, the applicable rate starting January 23, 2020 is 25 pesos per pack of 20 units or any packaging combination of not more than 20 units, and will gradually increase annually to 32.50 pesos on January 1, 2023. Using the given and multiplying it with specific rates, the total excise tax due for this illustration is 1,250,000. To illustrate nicotine salt, let's look at our second problem. On January 4, 2021, the corporation removes from its finished goods facility brand RI vapor products with the following details. In this illustration, the container size is 0.80 ml. The number of packs, which is 300, contains 2 pods. So the total number of pods is 600. In January 2021, the applicable tax rate is 42 pesos, as you can see. The total excise tax will be 25,200. On our next problem, on January 4, 2021, the corporation removed from its finished goods facility brand RI vapor products classified as conventional freebase or classic nicotine, which was released from production facilities on January 11, 2021, containing less than 10 ml. So the product type is freebase or classic nicotine with a container size of 7 ml, which is within the range of per 10 milliliters or a fraction. Looking at the revenue regulation, applicable tax rate for 2021 is 50 pesos, a fraction of 10 ml. So to compute total number of packs multiplied by tax rate of 50 pesos, total excise tax due will be 15,000. In our last problem, similar to the previous illustration, but this time, applicable tax rate is 100 pesos. You might be wondering, how did we compute the 100 pesos? Notice that the container size is 15 ml, so it will contain 10 ml with an applicable tax rate of 50 pesos. The remainder 5 ml is considered a fraction, so another 50 pesos would be added. Total applicable tax would be 100 pesos per pack. To answer the problem, the total number of packs released is 300 multiplied by the 100 pesos tax rate. The total excise tax due will be 30,000. To reiterate, because of this passing of 2 laws, it is expected that these excisable articles will gradually increase in selling prices throughout the years to come. Now, this is also mainly due to the floor price of minimum price set by the regulation. Looking at cigarettes, for example, let's say the production cost per sworn declaration in 2021 is 20 pesos, adding the excise tax for the applicable year, which is 20 pesos. The VAT thereof shall be 8.40, computed as adding the excise tax and the cost of production multiplied by 12%. The floor price, therefore, is 78.40. Similar computation is done also for heated tobacco products and vapor products. You can further check out the computation of the regulation for further reference. The revenue regulation mentions common provisions for alcohol, tobacco, and vapor products. Now, do take note of the updated statutory offenses and penalties mentioned in this regulation. And that's it. So as always, a huge thanks for watching. If you have any suggested content, comment down below. And if you found this video very helpful, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell because it helps me create more videos like this. So this is Gerard. I'll talk to you in the next one.